Going on, boaters? I want to show you this 2026 210 Montauk that we just got in. Really pretty color here, light blue hull, and we paired this with the Mercury 200 V6. We did white. I think this looks really sharp. You have the teak platform with your swim ladder here, really big ski tow bar, so if you're going to be doing water sports, really nice to have. You also have pop-up seats on the back, or if you want to use them to cast, also a really nice spot. Rod holders on your seat. We got bolster chairs at the captain and co-captain seat. I really like that it has a Simrad, so you have your graphs of everything and your controls. Digital throttle shift. Coming to the front, you got your Yeti cooler here and your pop-up seats in the front. So if you want to have this as a day boat, really nice space to lay out. Or if you want this for fishing, take these seats off. Coolers, live well in the front here. Again, we just got this in at MarineMax Nisswa. Come and check it out today.